Continuing coverage now on that mystery boom heard and felt in Lebanon County Monday night, New Year's Eve. Experts say it was not an earthquake. Others believe this incident and similar booms in neighboring counties may have been a type of explosive. Here's Priscilla Ligori.
We're still working to figure out what exactly is causing all of these mysterious booms, but many people suspect they're binary explosives. Here's what one looks like. These home explosives are known under the brand name Tannerite.
It's basically a fuel and an oxidizer.
It's one of the few possible causes of the tremor that rocked Lebanon County homes New Year's Eve.
Almost every agency in Lebanon County was receiving some sort of notification.
Dispatchers say the sound was too widespread and strong to be fireworks, but the case got closed because there was no known damage.
I was talking to a gentleman who explained to me that his window shook.
Facebook users have told us about similar incidents in York, Perry, and Mifflin counties. Ryan Morris is the president of Tripwire, which provides explosives training to military and law enforcement. He showed us Tannerite only takes a couple of minutes to prepare.
Take this aluminum powder and then dump it inside the ammonium nitrate and then mix it.
A lot of people use Tannerite for target practice. They put it about 25 yards away and shoot.
Hunters will use it to sight in guns.
But Morris warns binary explosives are more than just a headache for neighbors. They can be extremely dangerous.
It can blow the car up. It can cause serious bodily injury and or harm.
In 2016, a Pennsylvania state rep did propose a bill to ban explosive rifle targets, but that got stuck in committee. In Gettysburg, Priscilla Ligori, ABC 27 News.